Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you are well. So I wanted to do a really quick video regarding voting, and if you voted, fantastic, but this video is really about what are you going to do or what are you doing to help others to get out the vote. And this video is actually inspired by Lieutenant General Honoré. I saw a post of him of the same phrasing, basically saying, and I'm gonna paraphrase, don't tell me that you voted. We do care that you voted, but tell me how you're helping others to vote. So what I want to ask of you is, first, acknowledge, fantastic that you voted, I voted. Please post any relative information or resource regarding voting in your state or in your city or in your county. Information is key, and working within our sphere of influence is more powerful than you think. You say, how can I work within my sphere of influence? All you have to do is either retweet, like this, or post something in the comment line. And believe it or not, you might not know that you'd be helping people who you never met, but at the end of the day, we're all going to be part of the solution, and we're just trying to get out the vote. Last thing I'm going to say, I'm going to show you Ballot Cat. Ballot Cat is my cat, Foo. Let's see if she's around. Oh, she is not around. Oh, there she is. Let's see. Come here, Foo. I'm going to try to bring her. So that is Ballot Cat. What does Ballot Cat do? She gets out the vote too. Right now she's on break. She just had a snack. And together, Ballot Cat, you, all of us together, we can make a huge difference in this election, regardless of your affiliation. Let's get out the vote. Let's work together and we can do this. Till next time, stay well.